everybody's feeling good and great and all that old shit. Well, you already know what today is. Today is ESS Day. So, ladies, we're just going to work on our pelvic area. The more, you know how to move your pelvic, I think the better lover you become. And also, you just need to know how to move that shit. So, let's fucking get it poppin'. Rock, hey, rock, rock, rock. Go around back. Round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Round back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little faster. And back. Booty around and small circles. Now we're going to go down. We come up. Down. Hips is going around. Up. Down. Up. Down. And around. Take your time. Let the go around. Let me smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it. Yeah. Around. 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 Faster. Hey. Hey, 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 and round, 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 round. You go to the right, you go to the left, and round, and 2, hey, hey. So look, so that's just that. This is nice and simple. All you're doing is going. Your booty is going, let me take you your side view. You're going here, flat back, and going around, 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 around. For those who don't know, it's like right, front, side, back, 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 around. Smooth it out. Like you have like a hula hoop. This is a hula hoop, but yet it's going to be smaller. Right? Not so much of your booty going, your hips going, or booty going all the way around, hips going all the way around. Small, just around. Yeah, yeah, and around, and ooh, yes, ladies. You know, this is like a real brief. Just practice that. You do that shit 10 times. Your motherfucking thighs, your motherfucking booty. It's also gonna help like with your waist, oil and shit. Get your sexy together. Look, y'all know my name is Rill. I'm an intimacy coach with a service called Seductive ArT. I teach visual stimulation. We have real sex talk and ESS, which is an erotic, sensual, seductive dance. I'll be having my next Seductive ArT workshop July 9th. on July 9th. So I hope you ladies come. It's our voices, our stories. My workshop is like no other. It's interactive, it's informative, as well as filled with sexy, sexy fun. So I hope you ladies come and check it out. Go to my website, all that shit. You already know it's how many days is down in the description. And you know I'm also a designer name. My brand is Real Nice Bar Real. You know, bitch, talking real motherfucking fast. You know what I'm saying? It's Real Nice Bar Real, all things fresh. I am the underdog in motherfucking fashion. And I'm an author. The title of my book is called QUICKIE, 7 Short Erotic Stories. Please get that, read that. I appreciate that. So look, don't forget, it is round, 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 round. You can even go round to get your hands around. And round, 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 round. Slow it down. Slow it down. Other way. Slow it down. Slow. Oh no, she going slow. Oh no, she going slow. And around. Booty. Hey. Hey. Yes, people. Till we see each other again. Y'all have a great week. You already know we go through all that beach at. You know, if I resonate with you, hit that, click that. I appreciate that. And bitch, be you.